Hi, in this video we'll talk about Tezos functions. These functions are specific blockchain functions provided by the Tezos library. Let's look at some examples. The first function is Tezos.getAmount, and it will return you how much money has been sent in the transaction by the user. The second function is Tezos.getBalance, and it will return you how many Tez are stored inside of this smart contract. It's because not only end-user wallets can hold money, also a smart contract can hold some Tez. Another function is Tezos.getSender, and it will return you who is the direct caller of your smart contract. And you can have someone that is calling another smart contract, and another smart contract is calling another smart contract, etc., like a chain. So here is really return you who is a direct caller of your smart contract. It can be either the end user or an intermediary smart contract. Tezos.getSource, on the contrary, will return you who is the first caller of the chain of the transactions. So it will be always an implicit account, so a final user. And sometimes it's also the direct caller. It means that final user is calling a smart contract and that's all. So here the source is the direct caller, is the final user. But if you have a chain of transactions, here the first caller will be the initiator of the chain. So Tezos.getServAddress will return you the address of the current contract. It could be sometimes useful. Tezos.getNow will return you a timestamp, and this is the current date. Be careful, it's not the current date of the baker or the machine that is running your smart contract. It will be the timestamp or the block that will include this transaction. So Tezos.createContract, you can create a contract inside of your smart contract. It will deploy a new contract. So here I create a new contract with a code. I pass here and I pay 3 Tez to deploy this contract, and I pass also the initial storage. Okay, so you can create contracts from a smart contract. Now I will show you how to convert from addresses and contract. So let's start with an example. So here there are two conversion methods. The first one, Tezos.implicitAccount, takes a key hash as parameter and will return you a contract. And the second, Tezos.address, takes a contract as parameter and return you the address of this contract. So here there are two functions. Tezos.transaction will create a transaction, so I mean an operation on your smart contract, and then you have to return to be executed as a transaction. And Tezos.get contract with error, you will have to pass an argument, an address, and you will try to find the contract corresponding to this address. If it's not found, it will return you a raise, an error, and it will be the second argument, the string that you see here, Alice contract not found. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.